Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to have two Steam accounts on one computer. Whether you want to separate personal and gaming accounts or share your computer with someone else, this step-by-step guide will help you set it up easily. Let's dive in. Step 1. First, open Steam and log into your existing account. Once you're logged in, click on your username at the top right corner of the Steam window. From the drop-down menu, select Change Account. Steam will restart and you'll see a screen titled Who's Playing. Here you'll notice your existing account listed. Next to it, you'll see a plus sign. Click on it to add a new account. Step 2. After clicking the plus sign, you'll be prompted to sign in to another Steam account. If you already have a second account, enter your login details. If not, you can create a new account by following the on-screen instructions. Once you've signed in or created the new account, Steam will automatically log you into it. Step 3. To switch between accounts, click on your username again at the top right corner and select Change Account. If you want Steam to ask which account to use every time you open it, check the box that says Steam will ask who is playing every time you open Steam. Click Continue. Steam will show you both accounts under Who's Playing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful guides like this one.